Hello and welcome to this video about spy balloons. Spy balloons have been a popular topic in recent days due to their ability to gather information and monitor individuals from high altitudes. In this video, we'll be exploring what spy balloons are, its history, Spy balloons are unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) that are equipped with cameras, sensors, and other devices that are used to gather information and monitor individuals from high altitudes. These balloons are typically made of lightweight materials and can stay aloft for extended periods of time. They can be equipped with various types of cameras and sensors, including thermal cameras, infrared cameras, and more, which enable them to collect information and data from a wide area. The use of surveillance balloons as a military technology dates to the 19th and 20th centuries, when various militaries employed them, including the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Despite being rendered mostly obsolete by the advent of maneuverable and stealthy surveillance satellites and drones, balloons retained some advantages, such as a lower cost of production and deployment. The United States Department of Defense began investing in the military use of balloons in 2019 under its Cold Star, also known as Covert Long-Dwell Stratospheric Architecture Program. As of 2021, China's fleet of intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance ISTIR satellites had over 260 systems, second only to the United States. During the 2023 incident, a U.S. defense official stated that the surveillance balloon had limited additive value from an intelligence collection perspective, while security analysts said such balloons still retained certain operational advantages over ISTIR satellites. U.S. Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin said the U.S. military was able to collect valuable intelligence on the balloon while it was transiting North America. The balloon carried an underslung payload described as a technology bay, estimated to be the size of 2 or 3 school buses, and powered by solar panels mounted on the payload. The envelope of the balloon itself was much larger, according to a U.S. official cited by CBS News. The same official described the craft as featuring a rudder for limited steering. Years earlier in Japan, a balloon of a cross-type payload bay was reported, adding 2 propellers mounted on the side of the chassis. In conclusion, spy balloons are a powerful tool that can be used to gather information and monitor individuals from high altitudes. While their usage raises important ethical concerns, they also have a number of practical uses that make them valuable for military, intelligence, and civilian organizations. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that we will see further development and integration of spy balloons into various fields. Thank you for watching this video about spy balloons. You found this video informative. Please like and subscribe in Balanced Stories for more videos like this. And as always, please share your thoughts and opinions in the comments.